When it comes to decreases, sometimes we need to get rid of 2 stitches at the same time. It often happens in lace patterns or when we shape a crown of a hat or knit toys. No matter why this type of decrease is required in the project, it's better to make it as nice looking as possible. And double vertical decrease is perfect for this job. It creates a lovely chain of stitches right in the middle of the decrease while turning 3 stitches into 1 and providing the shaping required for the project. Let's see how it works. This decrease is worked over 3 stitches. Mine is gonna be right here at the very center of the swatch. So I will work until I get to these 3 stitches. And in my case, it's just knitting 2 stitches, which is quite easy. Now insert the tip of the right needle from left to right into the first 2 stitches on the left needle, like this, as if we're gonna knit them together. Then take the left needle out, leaving the stitches on the right needle, like this. Then knit the next stitch, the third one, and pass the slipped stitches over the knitted stitch, like this, and off the needle. That's it. We've just created 1 stitch out of 3. Now work to the end of the row, and in the next row, make sure to purl the stitch that resulted from that decrease. So I'm gonna purl all stitches because I'm working in stockinette stitch. But if you're working in a different pattern, make sure that you purl this stitch because otherwise that lovely chain of stitches will not be continuous, so it will be interrupted. But if we purl this stitch in the wrong side row, then we'll have this lovely uninterrupted chain of stitches. Let's do it again. Work to the stitches that are going to be part of the decrease, then insert the tip of the right needle into 2 stitches as if you're going to knit them together, slip them to the right needle, knit the next stitch, and pass the slipped stitches over the knitted one, and then work to the end of the row. And here they are, a lovely chain of stitches created by double vertical decreases. This is one of my most favorite ways to decrease stitches. I used it when I designed Snowflake Hat, a cute seamless beanie sized for preemie, newborn and 6-month-old babies. This pattern is now available in the library of free knitting resources. Click this link to get to the library and download the pattern. Thank you for watching this video and have a wonderful week. I'll see you in the next tutorial.